I got more actually.
May konti ka bang sense of parang enjoyment na pinapantasize ka? Na parang object of fantasy ka ng marami hanggang ngayon? Na-enjoy mo ba? Like, a little bit?
Yes, it is flattering. I mean, that's why I keep, no. Yes, it's flattering.
Tony, do you get parang decent proposals through social media, through DM?
I wish I got more actually. No, honestly,
It's whatever, you know, if you get in a decent proposal, it's up to you if you want to reply naman eh. Hindi naman ako nababastusan kahit magkaroon ng decent proposal.
Magkano yung pinakamalaking offer? Ano yung offer?
Tataasan mo ba, Ma'am Janice?
Siyempre magaling siyang actor. So nandun na yun eh. Ano ba pinakamalaking offer?
Grabe naman yung offer. Madam Janice.
Secret!
Ay, wag lang kayo naka-hypocrite. Sana actually headline nyo.
Secret na lang.
Pero meron bang mga like kotse, shopping abroad?
Secret!
So wala, hindi ka sabi mo, hindi ka naman nag-comment sa mga offer na yun. So, paano mo tina-turn down?
How do you turn it down? You just don't reply?
So, dead man na lang.
Siguro.
Engage na lang.
Yeah.
Siguro. How would you guys know that I get indecent proposal? I didn't.
Baka nagsisend si baka nagdi-DM si Janice.
Para may idea ka, Jens. Pag